this video, you're going to learn how to install a WordPress theme for beginners. Before I begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. And if you watch the video till the end, I have a free gift for you. So let's begin. So to install a WordPress theme, first thing you have to go is to the dashboard of the WordPress. Click on Appearance, click on Themes, and then click on Add New Theme. And then select whatever theme you like. I would go for this theme, for example. I would click on Install and I would activate. And that's it. And when you view your website, you could see that theme which has loaded. So there's one more way which you could upload a theme. So let's say you buy a theme. So I have bought this Divi theme. Divi theme is one of the best themes. It's a drag and drop builder and it's one of the best selling, and it's really good for SEO as well. So I've already purchased the theme. If you want to upload that theme, again click on Appearance, click on Theme, click on Upload a theme. And then I have already downloaded this zip file, so you'll get this zip file when you purchase any of the paid themes, and just put the file over here and install. As you could see, the file is now uploading. It will take time depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, so it's done. Now you can just activate it. And when you visit your website, the theme is installed. So this is how you install a WordPress theme. So as I mentioned you before, that I have a free gift for you. I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch in detail. The link is in the description, so don't forget to click and you'll get a free course. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you so much and have a great day.